when the angle of elevation is of the sun is 45 degrees is found to be 15 meters longer than when it is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. We have solved this problem, similar problem earlier. I think so in our earlier video 62. Okay, check that also. Quite easy one. Say this 45 degrees, then the height is the shadow is d plus 15. Okay, and when it is 60 degrees it is d, right, and height is h common. Obviously when the angle is lower the shadow will be longer. Okay, so tan 60 equals to h upon d, opposite upon adjacent, right? See this, therefore h equals to what? Tan 60 into d, but tan 60 is what? Root 3, right? Therefore d root 3. Okay, now tan 45 equals to this h upon d plus 15, right? Okay, so h equals to 1 into what is tan 45? 1 into d plus 15, therefore h equals to d plus 15. Now solve this, but what is h? H is given as d root 3, right? So d root 3 equals to d plus 15. Take d on the other side. D into root 3 minus 1 equals to 15. D equals to 15 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize this. Means what? Multiply it with the opposite, same numbers, same radicals and opposite sign. So d into 15 root 3 plus 1 upon this will be what? Root 3 square minus 1 square, that is 3 minus 1 2, right? Therefore h will be what? D root 3. That's what we have found out above. So d root 3 means 15 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 into root 3. So multiply root 3 inside, you get root 3 into root 3 3 plus root 3 over here. So 15 into 3 plus root 3 the whole upon 2, that is the answer. If in exam the value of 1.73 is given for root 3, then substitute it and then solve it, but generally it's not given. Okay, next, in the given figure ABCD is a rectangle in which segments AP